Welcome back to See My Review, the place where I bring you the hottest unboxings and real deal reviews. Today, I've got something incredibly sleek and stylish to show you. The Louis Vuitton LV skate sneaker in marine white. Just look at this box. It's classic Louis Vuitton elegance, and I can't wait to crack it open with you. Let's dive right into this unboxing and see what all the hype is about right out of the box. These sneakers are giving off a major statement. A perfect blend of coastal elegance and urban style. The first thing that hits you is that colorway. This marine blue paired with crisp white really pops and gives off that premium feel that only Louis Vuitton can deliver. The upper features a rich combo of durable leather and suede, giving the sneaker both structure and softness. Whether you're hitting the streets or just flexing your fashion game, these sneakers can do it all. If you're a sneakerhead or a fashion enthusiast on the hunt for premium style without breaking the bank, Linkick, RU*** is a destination you absolutely need to check out. Known for its wide range of high-quality sneakers and fashion-forward apparel, this site has quickly become a go-to for those who want to stay ahead of the trends. Whether you're into iconic classics like Air Jordans, Yeezys, and Nike Dunks, or you're looking to explore limited edition collabs and streetwear essentials, Linkick has you covered. What really sets this site apart is its commitment to authenticity. Every item is carefully verified to ensure you're getting the real deal, not some sketchy knockoff. On top of that, Linkick makes the entire shopping experience smooth and stress-free. They offer affordable prices that are super competitive, especially considering the quality of the products. You'll also find secure payment options, so you can shop with confidence and fast, reliable shipping that gets your order to your doorstep in no time. And if you ever need help, their customer service team is responsive, friendly, and always ready to assist. It's that combination of top-tier products, trustworthy service, and customer-first policies that makes Linkick a standout choice. So whether you're unboxing your next grail pair, the material feels luxe, and the stitching flawless. Louis Vuitton didn't cut corners here. Let's talk design. This sneaker draws inspiration from classic skate shoes, but it's taken to a whole new level with the LV craftsmanship. It's got that chunkier silhouette skaters love, but with enough refinement to wear to upscale spots or even casually with high-end streetwear. And of course, you get that signature LV branding on the tongue and heel, subtle yet unmistakably premium. It tells everyone that you're not just